Hi there. We are now at Manus IM. Manus now has an element that will allow you to chat for free without having to use up your Manus credits. We are now going to sign into an existing Manus account. One thing that you will note is that as of the recording of this video, you get access to a limited number of daily credits. And from here, if you want to upgrade to a paid account, you can do it. You can also share Manus with a friend, and you can also get access to 500 additional credits. However, one way of being able to experience Manus is to use the chat feature. And you'll see that when we hover over this element, Manus says that we can get answers to everyday questions for free. That means then that we can go to this element and we can write in our question, and we can write in your query. We can then click enter. And you'll see then that Manus will go through the thinking process in order to answer your query. And our query is now answered. If we were to go back to new task in the dashboard, you'll notice that the number of credits have not changed. So you can use Manus in the chat area in order to answer everyday questions and queries. There you have it, and I will see you in another video.